The unboxing of the new grinder.
Okay, so here's our machine. And what you have here is how it's got to be cleaned. You pull this out, okay? And I personally use a little battery operated handheld vacuum that I have.
Is that included in the box?
It's not, it's
Negative.
a separate purchase.
Oh.
Sorry to say.
Okay, so then the grinds will be in there, right? So then you vacuum it out. Okay, and you take the little brush they give you, and then you do this, clean it up. My assistant, vacuum please.
Sure thing.
Okay, look at how clean it comes out. Beautiful. Okay, now you have to make sure you put this back on. Okay, and it clicks in. Okay, hold that down. Okay. Then we have the hopper. The hopper goes on. Okay, that's the hopper in. And then we have our collecting cup. And that goes like that. And you slide that in like that.
With the lid open.
Show me the espresso attachments, how they go on.
Okay, we have two different size espresso attachments, a large and a small. And they just go right across the front and slide on like that. There's a little magnet. You hear that click in the back. Okay? That means it's on properly. So there's a large and small, so you don't have to grind into the collector
Yeah,
cup.
collector.
You can do it
Okay.
directly into your espresso
Okay.
handle. Okay? And you put your beans in here, and you have to turn this to lock it or the machine won't work. Okay? So then we're good to go. Okay, now next video we'll go over all the different grind sizes.
All right, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.